I see that a lot of fans are disgruntled when it comes to Slot, the manager, as well as our performances, and I can understand why. The challenge is if we don't have a proper perspective of what the team is going through and what is happening within our team, we will have this emotional ride taking place, for every game. So, what's the proper perspective that we should have as fans? Well, number one is we must understand that we have a team that is playing for the very first time together with new players. This is a total rebuild. Now, whenever a team is going through a rebuild, it means that we need to have patience as a fan base. If we don't have patience, we will be erratic in our emotions, in our accusations, erratic in our deliberations, and also the way we think. And that's not healthy for a football fan. It's not healthy for us to be erratic and for our emotional, state of being to be up and down. So what needs to happen is we need proper perspective of our team and proper perspective of Slot as a manager. Now, let me know in the comment section as I share with you and as I talk about this perspective. What's your thoughts on it? I do value your comments and your participation because I realize our fan base are not stupid. Our fan base understands the game. Our fan base are football intellectuals. Why do I say that? Because we have been supporting, our teams under different managers for decades. For those of you that has been supporting Liverpool for more than 3 decades, I salute you. Because for the last 3 decades, it was a nightmare. For some of us that understand the nightmare of 3 decades of, no Premier League trophy, having the worst players, purchasing the worst players, having the worst managers like Hodgson and others.